Hello. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, hi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're just trying to wait a little while and see if other people can join us. And I would like to remind us that we are streaming live on YouTube. I'm sure some people may not be able to join the call, but we prefer to watch it on YouTube. So welcome everyone. I see Karimba, Alasan, Peter, Daniel, and Rashid. We are officially starting the launch for Wiki Folklore 2021 in Ghana. My name is Sadiq Shahadu. I am one of the members for the Wiki Folklore organizing team 2021 and also a member of the Dagban Wikimedia user group. So I think we should introduce ourselves before we move on. So I nominate Rashid to introduce himself.
My name is Yusuf Abdurrashid. I am a member of the One Wiki Medians. Nominate Karamba to introduce himself.
Karamba, can you hear us?
Well, I can hear. It's just that it's been breaking.
Okay. So he was nominating you to
Uh,
introduce yourself.
that part. Okay. Thank you very much. I am Said Wal Hassan.
Something about you. Who are you? What you do? Where you are based?
Very well known as Karamba, member of Wikipedia, and hello. Terrible.
Please nominate another person to introduce himself.
Okay. Thank you very much. I nominate Peter.
Okay, Peter.
Yes, good afternoon to everyone. Please, my name is Peter and a member of the comedians. Thank you. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, Mr. Sharp. Hello?
Hello, Peter. Peter, we can hear you.
Yes.
Please go on.
Oh, okay. I said my name is Hassan Peter and I'm a member of the comedians. And
Okay.
I'm
All
a
right.
graduate from UEW.
Okay.
And
All right.
I nominate Mr. Daniel to introduce himself.
Okay.
Okay. Hi. Good afternoon. My name is Daniela Bokodanyorgia, a journalist and an activist on climate change and gender, and also a member with Open Foundation West Africa. Yes.
Okay. Great. Please nominate someone to introduce himself.
Okay. I joined again. I don't know whether if Rashid has introduced.
Yeah, I think Rashida has gone already.
So I nominate Rashid.
Rashida has already spoken, so you choose someone else.
Okay. I
see.
nominate Mohammed.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Thanks. Mohammed Sadat. Mohammed, can you introduce yourself, please?
Hello.
Hi,
Hello.
we can hear you, Mohammed. Please go on.
My name is Mohamed Sats. I'm from Jisunale and I'm a member of Wikipedia.
Nice to have you, Mohammed. And so
Thank
also
you.
nominate someone to speak. I see Achiri. I think he's the last person.
Okay, I nominate
Actually,
Achri.
please go on okay. Actually, can you introduce yourself to us?
Yeah, at my place, it's like there is a network challenges.
Yeah, I can feel that.
Yeah, I am Al Hassan Abdul Wadud, but I'm popularly called Achire.
Okay.
I'm currently a student of Tamale College of Education.
Mm, okay. Great. All right. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Um, it's been exciting journey, like working with all of you on the Dagbani Wikipedia. And I'm particularly excited to see other people joining us outside Dagbani Wikipedia. And we will not spend a lot of time. It's a short lunch. As we all know, the program is scheduled for February, and we'll start our active campaign on the 6th to 7th of this month. So I just want us to go through the page. I'll share my screen so we see what the contest is about. Okay. Okay, if you can see my screen right now, can you all see my screen, please? Can you see my
Yes,
screen?
yes, please.
Yes.
Yes, we
Okay.
can see.
All right. So, in case you are just hearing this campaign for the first time, it's Wiki Loves Folklore 2021 in Ghana. It's an annual photo contest that is organized globally. So many people participate from different countries, and we are happy to be joining them for the second time in a row. Last year, we hosted it in the name of Global Open Initiative, whom like we are affiliated to. We are affiliated to Global Open Initiative Foundation, and this year we are hosting it with the Dagbani Wikimedians and in the northern part of Ghana. And the theme for this year Wiki Loves Folklore contest is feminism and folklore. So most of the things we will be capturing or writing about, as you also know, there will be a short Wikipedia challenge, and our focus will be on the Dagbani Wikipedia. So we'll create Wikipedia articles on the Dagbani Wiki for the theme or topics that relates to the theme. And Wiki Love Folklore, as I said, we are organizing for the second time, and it's a global contest. It's a challenge that anybody at all from anywhere can participate and win gift vouchers. As we all know, Wikimedia Foundation does not encourage giving, cash to participants of this kind of programs unless it is exceptional or on exceptional cases. So we are going to reward participants, which is very important because many people may want to know why they want to be part of this. And the reward is gift vouchers world. And the highest is the best photo contributor. I will come to that later. We take like 400 Ghana cedi. And then we also give some amazing prizes for those who contribute to the Wikipedia articles. Yes. So as I said, this contest entails tradition, culture, folklore, and any other activities that relates or depicts our cultural heritage. Talking about dances, music, folk activities, games, cuisine, the things that we wear, our tradition, fairy tales, legend, traditional songs, a whole lot of things, anything that you can think of, like religion and stuff like that. And we are going to start it by organizing photo workshops to explore some of these areas and discover these things and capture them onto the media repository of Wikipedia, that is Wikimedia Commons. I know many of you know about Wikimedia Commons already. Let me just add some new other people. Yeah, I know many of you already know about Wikimedia Commons, and those who are totally new to Wikimedia Commons, we'll talk about that one shortly. And so because it's a contest, we are going to upload these files, videos. So things you can submit includes videos, photos, and then audio recordings of related topics as I explained here. And anybody, as I said, anybody from anywhere, once you have a smartphone or a camera, you can participate from wherever you are. You can capture images from wherever you are, from your community, town, inside the market, so many things we can capture and upload. And in doing that, you are contributing to Wikimedia projects, which is directly related to Wikipedia that most of us know about. Wikipedia is one of the biggest online platforms that you can access free knowledge. You can access information for free. And this platform is contributed by hundreds and thousands of volunteers from all over the world. So we are in Ghana, and as a community like the Dagban Wikimedia community, we are also interested in contributing our own, culture, information, data, knowledge onto the biggest platform, that is Wikipedia. So we have seen few more other people joining us. Welcome everyone. In case you are just joining us, we are really happy to see you. And if you have any question at this point, please let me know before I move on. Do you have any question with regards to what I said so far? Okay, so we started by opening an application for people to participate because of the coronavirus
Please, I have a
situation
question
in our
here.
country and the restrictions. Okay.
Please, I want to find out the pictures. Are they supposed to come from the culture of northern region, or the pictures can come from anywhere in Ghana if it is actually aligned?
Sorry, I didn't get the question, please.
Yes, I'm asking that the pictures that we are going to upload, are they supposed to come from the northern culture, or we can have other pictures coming from other regions, but still within the culture of Ghana?
Yes, that is a very, very good question. You've been hearing us, or you've been seeing our poster talking about the Dagban Wikimedians or Northern Ghana, Northern Ghana. It is actually not for Northern Ghana. It is for the whole of Ghana. So any culture from any region is accepted. Anybody at all from anywhere within Ghana can submit their photos at the comfort of their homes. But we are using Northern region because of the activities that are associated with the project, like the photo walks, and because of our involvement with indigenous communities so far. I know there are other local language Wikipedia, but at the moment we are currently focusing on Dagbani Wikimedians, and we are very excited about Wikimedia Foundation's support and giving us the platform or the funds to embark on this exciting journey. And because it's also, the reason why we are also doing it here is that we have done so many photo walks or contests within Accra and the South. But because the Northern region is a little bit isolated in terms of what Wikimedia is and how well it is known, we want to do that differently this time around. Last year, I was part of the organizing team for Wiki Folklore, in the name of Global Open Initiative, which I co-founded with my other colleagues. And this year we want to do it with the Dagbani Wikimedians because we feel like there are a lot in the north that we can unearth. There are so many cultural, beautiful cultures that we can add to the Wikimedia sister projects. So basically, that is why we are doing it in the northern region. So to answer your question in a very simple way, yes, anybody from anywhere can participate, and we are doing it in the north because of the activities associated with it. That is the photo works. Any other question before we move on? Okay. So if there are no more questions, I would like to go to Wikimedia Commons page and then show you. So as of today, as I'm talking right now, the landing page is already activated, and this is just a formal way to announce that the contest has started. So if you have old photos that you have taken somewhere, you can simply submit them for the contest. You can submit your old photos. It doesn't matter when you take them. One important thing we should know is that for Wikimedia Commons and the contest itself, it only allows pictures that are freely licensed, or if you are the owner of those pictures or you have the permission to share those pictures. So this is the official page of the Ghana contest page. I will send the link to you. I have not shared it anywhere. This is because the contest just started. So I'm going to send it to the group so you can have a look. I'll also post it on our social media platforms in case you are not following us. I will share it there so you can start your submitting your photos. So that is the main page. I just sent it to the chat, and the descriptions, as I spoke about, is the same thing. It starts from 1st of February 2021 to 28th March. So within this period, you'll be able to submit your entries. The deadline to submit your entries is 28th March. And the results will be declared on April 5th, 2021. And as I said, the best photo means the photo that like tells the real story, or the photo that captures like the eyes of our Jerry Moore will be selected for the best photo category. And then we have best contributor. So even if you don't have the best photos and you are able to contribute more, you also have a package to win. That's 300 Ghana cedi. And then we have the second best contributor. So the one that follows the best contributor also gets 200 Ghana cedi. And we have, as I said, there's going to be some little editathon challenge for Wikipedia Dagbani, and participants would win t-shirts plus Wikipedia souvenirs. That is for best contributor. And then Wikidata as well. The best contributor for Wikidata would also win t-shirt and Wikipedia souvenirs. As I said, disclaimer here, prize are only disbursed in the form of gift voucher, not cash. We don't give cash. And we ask you to choose your preferred shop like Melcom or ShopRite. So when you win, we'll ask you have the option to choose which shop you want to go with. And then how to participate. As I said, anyone, regardless of your nationality, place, wherever you live, you can participate. The most important thing is getting your account created. So if you don't have an account already, please create your account immediately. Just go to commons.wikimedia.org as I posted on the page, on the chat. You create your account. But if you have an existing Wikipedia account, let's say you have created an account before, it is the same account that you will use to to log into any other Wikimedia project. So Wikipedia Wikidata is the same username and password. If you already have an account, you don't need to create any account again. Then you take a picture of the related topic, then you upload it to Wikimedia Commons with this category: images from Wiki Loves Folklore. Images from Wiki Loves Folklore in Ghana. You can see sample photos from around the world. These are other photos that are submitted previously. There are videos as well. As I said, you can upload videos and audio recordings. We don't accept pornographic or explicit images or pictures that you take from social media. You cannot upload photos from social media. It will be deleted.
Is that
You
Sadiq?
take, hello?
Please, it's like someone's mic is not muted. So we are hearing a lot of noise at the background.
Okay, I think is this Sadat speaking?
Yes.
Okay, I think Achille was speaking. Okay, he's muted now. Thank you for prompting me. And so the photos you can submit, the photo has to, that's why we are doing the photo work, to give people the opportunity to participate, to take these photos. So if you don't have the opportunity to even join the photo work, you will still be able to contribute your photos wherever you are, provided the photos are taken by you or you have the permission to upload those pictures. So ideally, you are supposed to take the picture by your own self, like with your own camera or phone. That is the most important thing you should note. You can't take photos from social media or a photo that has passed through. You know, Facebook is already connected to WhatsApp and Instagram. You can't take any picture from Facebook or somebody's website and upload it to the contest. It will be deleted and you'll be wasting your time. All those pictures will be deleted. So those are copyright issues that you need to know. You must be the original creator of the photo, and you should, or maybe you have the permission to upload that photo. So that is it. We'll talk more before we start the official uploads. After taking the pictures, we'll still organize a workshop that will allow us to learn how to upload pictures. But I'll do a simple demonstration on how to upload pictures for the contest. And then we'll also teach you Creative Commons licenses. That is an open license governing all Wikimedia projects. As we are sharing data, knowledge, or images and videos, there should be a license that is governing whatever information, data you put on Wikimedia projects. So there's an organization called Creative Commons, and they are in charge of these licenses. They have designed some open licenses, which would have a separate workshop on for you to understand what it means. Every page on Wikimedia Commons or any Wikipedia project you can see here. Let me increase my screen a little bit. Oops. Below you see you will see here Creative Commons licenses, CC0. We'll talk about that. So all files, that's why they say, let me maximize it so everyone can read it very well. Files are available under license specified on their description, the description page. All structured data from the file and property namespaces is available under Creative Commons license CC0. All unstructured text is available under Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike license. Additional terms may apply. By using this site, you agree to the terms and the privacy policy. So these are things, the technical things that we should know as contributors to Wikimedia project. You should know the licenses, their types, and what is allowed, what is not allowed. We will talk about these things in another meeting. But for the purpose of the contest, I'm going to demonstrate how you can participate. So first of all, you just open the page as I showed here. Once you are on this page, sorry, there was some noise here. Once you are on this page, you read through the description, then you come here, upload photographs. Upload photographs. This is where you submit all your entries. Then click on it. View, it tells you welcome to Wikilab's Folklore Photo Contest. This is the upload wizard for culture testimonials in various cultures and regions of the world. As I said, it's not only in Ghana, it's celebrated worldwide. I know Ireland, Nigeria, and many other countries are participating. So once you are here, you come and select your photos. You can even select them from your desktop and drag and drop, just like we always do. Or you just click select media file to share. When you click on this, it takes you to where the photos are. Then you come down, you just come down to this. Let me see. So you just come down to this and select your file, assuming you have uploaded or you've selected all your files in a pen drive or on your desktop, or maybe you have connected your phone directly to the laptop. You can even use your phone to participate. As a matter of fact, you can download the Wikimedia Commons app and be able to participate, or just go use the web to participate. You can use your phone, you can use your laptop, tablet, all devices are supported. So I am taking the photo from my downloads. Assuming this is my page, you just go to wherever the file, the folder is, and you select the files. If you are doing more than one, you just hold the control and then select all the files that you want as usual. If you are doing just one photo, so you can upload multiple photos, like 20 or 10 at a go. Then I go to, from here, I've selected my photo, then I go to open. It will take, yeah, so the file is uploaded. As you can see, the marked green means the file is uploaded. If I uploaded a wrong file, I can just click remove to remove it. And if I want to add more files, let's say I'm uploading more than one, I'll just click on add more. If it's just one file, I just go to continue. So in this case, I'm doing just one file. So I will go to continue. Once I click on continue, my file will be uploaded, and it says, this is very important, you log in first. Everything that you want to do, especially Wikimedia projects, if you are going to edit Wikipedia, always make sure you log in. Even though you can edit Wikipedia without a username and password, it is not advisable. Always have your own account and log in so that you can connect with other people and people will get to know who you are. They will know that you are not a ghost or something. So because I logged in, you see, it automatically brings my name and it says this site requires you to provide copyright information for this work to make sure everyone can legally reuse it. So I'll just select this. Already by default, it selects that this file is my own. And it says I, Shahadu Sadek, that is my username, the copyright holder of this work, irrevocably grant anyone the right to use this work under Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike 4.0. I said these are technical things that we'll talk about in our future workshops, but that is the license type, CC by SA, or Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike. You can see the legal code here if you want to know what it means. You can see the code, the details of the license. I just open it in a new tab. So this is the license, and look at what it will tell you. So if you are uploading pictures and your intention is to make money, pictures that we upload here is not for money purpose, it's to share with the world. Let people know about your culture, let people know about your creativity and all those things. So when you open I just open the license, the legal code in a different tab. And as I said, CC by SA 4.0, this is the symbol. You see the CC, unlike copyright that has one C with something round, open license or Creative Commons license has CC. And then you have human being like something. And then another C turned that way around. This means Creative Commons attribution. This attribution means like you are attributing the work to the owner, the one who created it. And then share alike. You are just sharing it means you are sharing the file under this open license, and whoever is going to use this file must also share it as you have shared it. That is the meaning of share alike. Share it like I did. So what you are telling the world is that this is my file. I created it and I'm giving it out for you to use it. But if you want to also share it under the same terms that I share it. If I share it CC by SA and you go and make it commercial, you are breaching the copyright, you are violating the copyright. So the person can take you on. So share alike, there are other options that you can choose. There are, as a matter of fact, like 6 types of licenses you can choose for your work. There are ones that are flexible. There are ones that are very strict. We'll talk about it later. I don't want to talk much about it, but for you to understand what it means, it says that once you see this file, you are free to share, copy, redistribute the material in any medium or format, adapt. You can remix, transform, and build upon the material for any purpose, even commercially. So even if you want to use that person's photo for commercial purpose, maybe you want to use it for TV advert, you are free to use it, but you should use the license that the person has used. You are also sharing it as it is. You can still make commercial gains out of it. And the details about the license is also here. We'll talk about this more. That is not what we are here for. So yes, I've selected, this is my own file. Then I go to next. Once I click on next, you see, it says that this title is too short. I need to rename the title of the file. Can you hear me? Hello. I need to rename the title of the file. So I'll just rename it to Dagbani Wiki Medians updated. There's already a file with that same name. So once the file already exists, the name exists, it will pop up. So I need to change a different name. So I'll just add something to it to make it unique. Dagbani Wikimedians user group. Okay, there's no file with this same name, Dagbani Wikimedians user group. I hope there's no file like that. So if there's no file, I just go straight. Here you can add a 1-line description or caption, but it is not required. As you can see, it's optional. But description is it's also optional, but it's very important because when you put photos on Wikimedia Commons, a lot of people are going to access it. So how do they search for information? We all know with Google, when I'm looking for the Dagbani Wikimedians logo, I just type it on Google. Based on the description I gave the file, or the person, the one who uploaded it gave the file or description, it will help me to search that image very easily. So descriptions helps you to get the file easily. But if I don't put a description, it will be very difficult for someone to find this logo on Google. So it is important that caption is not required, but description is very important. So I can just say, this is an this is the, maybe I can say the approved logo for the Bani Wiki Medians user group. So I gave it a description like this. There's a title, there's description. And then the next thing you need to do is to select the date. You select the date that you took the photo or you are uploading the photo. So here, automatically, you can just click on this calendar. As we all know, when you click on this calendar, it will select it for you. Then you just select today's date, Monday 1, and it's attached. So this is where you remember that on the page, I said you should upload it in a particular category. So make sure you keep this category in mind. You don't need to type everything, but once you start typing it, it will pop up. So the category is images from Wiki Labs Folklore 2020. Here you can add the latitude and longitude, but they are not really important for the purpose of the contest. You don't need to add the location of where you took, but if you have time, you can do this, but they are not required to add where the photo was taken. But you can, as a matter of fact, you can do it. So here, you need to add a category. This will help you locate the file, or it will be categorized under the contest. So I can just say images. I'll start typing. You see that some descriptions will be coming. Images from Wiki Labs Folklore 2021 in Ghana. So this is the category. Can you all see it? Once you start typing, it will bring a lot of categories for you. Then you select the one that is applicable. So I said you should upload all your files under this category. When you get to category, make sure, even though it's optional, but it's very important, it's very necessary. So we'll be able to tell that all these files were uploaded for this particular contest. So it is important to just select images from Wiki Labs Folklore 2021 in Ghana. So I've selected it. I can add more categories. I can add like Dagbani Wikimedians. There's a category called Dagbani Wikimedians user group. I can add it. Yeah, you can add more categories, but for this particular contest, we just want you to add one category, images from Wiki Labs Folklore 2021 in Ghana. So I think someone was sending a chat. Okay. So, all right. Somebody was leaving the chat, call. Yeah, this call will be recorded. It's available on our YouTube. You can always go back and watch. So I've selected two categories, but in real sense, you are supposed to select only one category. That is the images from Wiki Labs Folklore 2021 in Ghana. Then I'm done. You have submitted one photo. I don't need to do anything at this point. Then I'll just click on publish. Yes, I've submitted an entry. So I think I'm the first person to submit, but it's not what we want. This is supposed to be like, the photo that we are looking for, like folklore photos. But because of the training, I was just using this one as an example. So it says that items portrayed in this file depicts. This one is also not necessary. You can just skip it. You can just go to skip. But if you are uploading people's photos, like individual photos or personal pictures that you want to share with the world, that one is important to describe it. But this one, it is not required. But let me try and describe it. Oh, it's taking forever to open. Okay. So as I said, it is not important. You just come to skip, skip, skip. So after hitting skip, you will see this message. Thank you for submitting your photos to Wiki Labs Folklore. You can now use these files on wikis or link to them on the web. So as I said, they are openly available. You can simply copy the URL and use it anywhere you want. You can copy this HTML code and put it in your website, wherever you want to put it. That is all. So you are done. You have uploaded one file. In case you are doing bulk uploads, you come to add more, upload more. Then you select, click on select, then go and select, you go through the same process. If the photos, mostly it's important for you to categorize it in a folder. That is very easy for you. So if it was just one folder where all the photos can be found, I'll just click, select all. Then I'll select, then everything will be published. As simple as that. Any question? We have 10 minutes to go. Any question? No question? Okay. If there are no questions, I will assume that we all understood what I just did. So these pages will be shared on all our social media platforms. If you need any help or assistance with regards to the contest, you can reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and we have hashtags. I think we'll award those who will be tweeting or posting a lot on social media as well. Find a special prize for such. You can use these hashtags when you are posting your, after posting the picture on
Hello, I
Wikimedia.
only hear a little.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, no, we can hear you.
Yeah. So you can follow us on social media. You can use the hashtags throughout the contest. If you need any special assistance, you can email us at dagbani.wikimedians@gmail.com. If you want to ask questions and you don't want to email us, you can simply click on this top page and post your comment, and we will respond to you as soon as possible. And these are our jury. We call them judges. They will judge the photos. So we have Karimba Asani, we have Alasa Mohammed Awal. And if you are a participant, please go and add your name here. It's very important. But those who are participating, just type your username here. To type your username, just look at the sample, what we have done. So you just copy this thing that I did. It's very easy to do. Usually you just put, if it's on this page, you look at what other people have done. Then you do the same. You type your, you put you, this, and then you type your name, maybe Sadiq. Then you close it with the curly bracket like this. This is how you sign your name on this meta page. It's very simple. There are other places you can just type your four tildes like this, sign your name. But here you just look at what other people have done and then put your name the same way they have done. That is how we learn on Wikimedia Commons. You see what other people have done, and then you do the same thing. So please, let's all try and add our names so we all know how many people are participating. And at this point, I would like to request for some more questions. If you have questions, please let me know. We'll end this call in the next 5 minutes. Any question, please?
Hello.
Hello.
Please, can we upload pictures that we take? Can we upload pictures that we take using a different phone?
Yes. So if you are using a different phone or even a camera, once
No.
you are the one who use the phone to take the picture, you can upload
No.
it. You can
Okay.
upload it. You can upload it from any device, but the photo
Okay.
should be original. It should be your own photo. It doesn't matter how long the photo has been on your phone. Once it's related to what we are doing, and you have already taken it maybe some years back, you can just submit it as an entry to win. I know most of you have taken similar photos and videos. Even though we are doing videos, the attention is further focused on photos, because photos are more important for Wikipedia pages and stuff like that than video. They are equally important, but the more photos you upload, the better. And the videos, you can upload um, very long videos. You should make them like really minimal, like 15 to 20 minutes or 10-minute videos. You can't go and upload a whole program like 2 hours and put it there. It will even take your bandwidth, a lot of your bandwidth.
Okay.
So, and we don't also upload selfies. You cannot take a selfie and upload it. It is against the contest. You cannot upload explicit photos. You cannot upload pornographic photos. You cannot upload other people's work. Very important. Any other question? Any more question?
Hello, Sadek.
Hi,
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Hello.
I can hear you very well.
Okay, so I was saying that means one can equally upload videos as part of the contest, even though the emphasis is more on pictures.
Yes, please.
So like during the tour, when you see sites you think you need to do short videos on, you can do that and upload.
Yes, but they shouldn't be selfies. As I said, like you are taking your own selfie, you can't upload those ones. But if you can take it like clearly, and even though we are all not professional, this will help you to learn a lot how to take good photos. So the more you do, you'll be able to take better photos. And now some of us have like very sophisticated phones, iPhone 11 or whatever. You can use it to actually take quality pictures that some cameras cannot do. So let's take advantage of that and win while sharing to the world. Any more question? We are dropping in 1 minute.
Hello. Please, are you there? Hello, please, can you hear me? Hello.
I think you're muted.
I can hear
Hello,
you.
please. My question
Please
is
go on.
Yeah. My question is, if I'm to upload a picture, the name of the file, does the name of the file matters, or I should just?
Yes, the name of the file is very important, and the description, the brief description. So the name of the file should depict whatever picture you are taking or you are uploading. So if, let's say you look at this one, the description is a man playing a drum. It can still be the title of the photo or the picture file title. It can be, so it should depict something so that people can easily identify the kind of pictures we upload. If you put this one, a man playing drum, and you go and type some different numbers or names or words, people cannot when you search on Google or Wikimedia Commons, you cannot easily identify this picture. But if
Okay.
you describe it, you give a very good description, at least it helps people to identify the pictures and the videos. And the description, as I said, the description, as I said, is very important. So let's take note. And if you are uploading fast, if let's say it's a drum and the name is already there, you can just add one, drum one, or drum z one, or drum underscore one. You have to just add something to the description to make it unique, to differentiate it, because you can't upload multiple files with the same name or same title, but the description can be the same. If all the pictures are talking about fruit, you can use the same description for it. So thank you so much. We are done. If you have any further questions, as I said, there are several ways to reach out to us on the WhatsApp group, on our social media, and this page will be released to you. You can send us email, or you can directly make your comment or questions. You post your questions on the talk page. Just click here. You'll be able to post your comment. So I am happy to announce that we have finally launched Wiki Labs Folklore 2021 in Ghana. And congratulations to all those who have been selected to participate in the photo works in Northern region. Any more questions? If there are no questions, thank you so much. And we'll see ourselves some other time. Take care. Bye.